Welcome back to the channel, guys. Easy Crypto here again for another market update. Today I'm going to be talking about Caspa and why I think it is such an opportunity right now to be getting into this particular project, considering where we are in the market and what's going on, guys. So obviously everyone knows we have now completed the Bitcoin halving, and congratulations, guys, if you've managed to stay this long in the market through all the bear market, through all the FUD. We're nearly reaching the other side, or we have reached the other side now. So don't be concerned if there are other market corrections that do take place over the course of the next 12 months, guys. But we're pretty much on the other side unless we get like a black swan event. And even then, I still think I'm going to be bullish over the course of the next 12 months. We are going to see massive upside on our altcoins and Bitcoin and Ethereum, guys. So with that being said, where are we in the market? So obviously at the minute we're sitting around the $65,000 region in terms of Bitcoin, guys. Now that's super bullish. We obviously have come back up from these real lows where everyone was thinking Bitcoin's going to zero. And yes, guys, I was concerned as well, but I've got to really rationalize that in my head and stop worrying. Basically, this money that you invest has got to be money that you're prepared to lose at the end of the day. So if you're not prepared to ride or die, guys, then you need to be out of this market. It's just one of those, to be honest, guys. And looking at the facts, where has Bitcoin gone over the course of the last few cycles? We've always actually increased in price after the halving. So you've got to look at your logical side of your brain and start to think, right, okay, this is what happened in previous cycles, this is where we're going now. That's all I'm doing. Even in my portfolio, yes, it is down, guys, and I'm sure yours is, but we've got to think where we're going to be in the next 6 to 12 months, and we're going to be massively up in gains, so don't worry. Now what I wanted to show you guys is obviously we're at $65,000 today. This is the actual funding rate, guys, and whenever we dip into a minus, which we are currently in a minus position now, minus 0.00399, that's a massive buying opportunity in terms of if you wanted to buy Bitcoin, and this has been a massive buying opportunity previously as well, guys, in past cycles. So it's an excellent opportunity to try and get into some of your altcoins that you couldn't get into, or to DCA into some of your plays that you are currently in, guys. So that is my personal opinion on the matter. Now let's go quickly move over to the liquidation heat map. You've probably seen this already, but I'm going to show it you again anyway. This is what I'm looking at anyway. So as you can see on the liquidation heat map, this is a liquidation heat map purely for BTC. Okay, so as you can see on the chart, this is where we're currently standing around the $65,000 region. Can you see the massive yellow marker up here? That's $2.80 billion, right? So if we do actually manage to get to this $72,000 region, then we will liquidate $2.8 billion worth of Bitcoin, guys, which is phenomenal. It's actually huge. And as we know, Bitcoin and the market in general does tend to follow these particular levels, these liquidation leverage regions. So this is really what I'm looking for now. Considering we're around the $65,000 region, I do see us, even if we drop a little bit, I do see us taking out this level here because it is such a high level, 2.8 billion, guys. That's absolutely huge. And then from there, I do see us pushing up over the course of the next 8 weeks. And I believe 8 weeks is going to be the point of where we really start to push up in this market. I think over the course of the next 8 weeks, we're going to be frothy. But after that, I think we're off to the moon, guys. So moving on from that, what is the reason for this video? The reason for this video is personally my view on Caspa, guys, right? So Caspa at the moment is my largest holding, and I believe it is the best risk to reward ratio cryptocurrency currently there is in the market. But that's my personal opinion. You guys might have a different opinion, and other cryptocurrency holders might have a different opinion. I'm just bringing you this video to show my thoughts, to keep myself accountable in what I'm doing in the market, and also to provide some insight in what I believe in, guys. I just wanted to quickly show you this, right? So obviously we've had the Bitcoin halving, And I want to show you this. So Coinpedia Markets tweeted this on the April the 19th. Just in, as per our prediction, Coinbase International Exchange announced that WIF will be listed on perpetual futures contracts starting on April 25th, guys. So WIF will be listed on Coinbase, which is massively bullish for Coinbase. But we're talking about Caspa here, and these are the top 10 cryptocurrencies poised to be listed on Coinbase in 2024. This is their opinion, obviously, so take this with a pinch of salt. Caspa is obviously at the top of the list. Hear me out on this, guys. So obviously Caspa's on the top of the list. I do believe Caspa will get picked at some point very shortly for a Coinbase listing. I do believe it will be this year. Potentially, you know, it could be next year, but if I'm perfectly honest, I do believe it's going to be this year. And the reason why, this is one of the reasons why, guys. So Mr. Caspa, the 10th largest Caspa wallet, has gone from 0 to 150 million coins in the last month. Could this be an exchange preparing to list Caspa? Here's the address. So if you want to check out the address, come over to here, copy of this. Yeah, guys. But this is a huge amount of coins, guys. And to be perfectly honest, it's more than likely going to be obviously a whale or a exchange. The way the market is running at the minute, I do believe Caspa is going to get an exchange listing very shortly. So could this be the start of a exchange listing? The exchange is obviously buying up these coins in preparation for the Caspa listing, guys, which is super bullish. Really excited about this because we've been consolidating in Caspa. Let's just run over to the chart really quick, if we can just grab the chart up, because Caspa has been consolidating for a good while now, guys, and it is still really good buying opportunity. We're still under 12 cent region. We've had a massive drawdown from previous all-time highs. Well, the latest anyway. So realistically, we've had a 37% drop from the highs, guys. So it's, in my opinion, still a massively great time to get into this particular project. If you're not buying now, then when will you buy? Because this potentially might be one of the last opportunities to get into this particular market, guys. That's just my opinion. Obviously, nothing's financial advice. I'm just going to quickly put another indicator on here. So we're going to have a look. I'm just going to have a look where the RSI is. Okay, let's have a quick look at this. The RSI, you know, is to be fair, is looking stable. It's on the cusp of being oversold, right, guys, but it's not there yet. So potentially we could see another drawdown, but I believe it totally depends on what Bitcoin is doing at the moment. Right, guys, as you can see, this is pretty accurate. When we reach the top here, we're bearish, we're coming down, we're overbought. When we get down to this particular level down to here, we're going to be oversold. We're very close to it at the minute. We're only trending at 40. When we're below 40, that is when we should be looking. As you can see down here, 39.5. We're currently trending at 40.71 on the RSI. So very shortly, we'll be oversold on this, and I'll be expecting a big move up on the RSI. That contrasted with what Bitcoin is going to be doing very shortly. We've had the halving, super bullish, with these wallets accumulating massive amounts of Caspa. And the potential for an exchange listing, I do believe it's a great time to be buying. This could be the last time you see these levels with Caspa, guys. And that is really what I wanted to bring you on this particular video. This as well, I wanted to bring you, currently seeing the largest deviation in history. I'm personally a huge buyer of Caspa at 11 cents. I'm a confident buy. As you can see, the hash rate is going through the absolute roof, guys, which is just more bullish indication of what Caspa is going to be doing in this market. So super bullish about Caspa. Let me know your thoughts on what Caspa is, guys, because in my opinion it is a steal at these levels. And yeah, just wanted to bring you this short video. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one, guys.